These are the top 10 reasons Lee's Summit, Missouri home buyers and real estate investors choose Bulldog Professional Inspection Services when they want a proven home inspector. Number 1. We hang ID tags on all major shutoff valves. This helps you and your family find them during maintenance, repair, or in an emergency. Number 2. Home Maintenance for Dummies, 2nd edition. A 369-page ebook that covers hundreds of tasks to help make maintenance and repairs a breeze around the house. Free with every home inspection. Number 3. We offer a 5-point major items inspection. Since 2005, we've been performing a major items inspection that only checks the foundation, plumbing, roof, electrical, and HVAC systems. Number 4. We can do your inspection within 24 to 48 hours, usually. We're nimble enough that we can usually get your home inspection done within 24 to 48 hours. And don't forget, your report will always be ready the same day. Number 5. We move toilets in all 4 directions. This is how we catch loose and leaking toilets before you move in. Number 6. We turn on lights and appliances before we test GFCI outlets. This is one way we ensure everything is wired properly so you're not finding mystery glitches after you move in. Number 7. Your home will always be inspected by the owner. Your home will never be inspected by an amateur, apprentice, or hourly employee who has no vested interest in you, your home, or your home inspection. Number 8. Our full inspection checks more than 2,000 items in the average home. We call this our 100% inspection and includes every item we can see, touch, and test in the home. Number 9. We remove the cover from the main electrical panel. Home inspectors don't have to do this, but we do because few things get tampered with as much as this piece of equipment. Number 10. You get a free termite inspection with a full home inspection. Not many home inspectors perform a termite inspection, and the ones that do charge up to $85 extra. But yours is free with any full home inspection package. These were the top 10 reasons home buyers and real estate investors call Bulldog Professional Inspection Services when they want to work with a proven home inspector in Lee's Summit, Missouri. Call us today for your Lee's Summit home inspection. We obsess over your new home so you don't have to.